Welcome, welcome, boys. Okay, in this video we are going to be replacing the air filter on this 2010 Hyundai Accent. Air filter housing. It's going to be a pretty easy job here. You just need to remove these clips that are clamping the top part down to the bottom part. One clamp on each of the four corners. Once those all come off, lift this out. Remove our old, nasty, full of crap air filter. Compare it with a new one and put it in. Okay, boys, here's our old filter. Here's our new filter, which has way more pleats, thus a much higher quality one. And that is the MicroGuard Mary George Adam 49069. Take it, put it in. Okay, installation is reverse of removal. Set her down in. Get our top part. Fix it properly. Put our clamps back on at each of the four corners. And it's as easy as that, boys. Thanks for watching. Peace.